Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now by unlocking the phone and opening settings, navigate to connections, then data usage and tap mobile data usage. Once there, look for data warning and limit or billing cycle and data warning. Samsung labels vary by one UI version. Make sure you're viewing the correct SIM if the phone has two. Select the active line first. This gets you to the controls that trigger the warning. Once located, you're ready to change the threshold or disable the warning entirely. Once located, you either toggle off data warning or tap it and change the threshold to a very high number. This effectively disables recurring warnings. You may see a slider or a numeric field in MB. Enter a number like 99,999 to prevent alerts. Make sure to repeat the same steps for the other SIM if you use dual SIM. After changing values, press back to ensure the new setting is saved. You'll stop receiving the pop-ups unless a carrier app overrides the system. Finish by restarting the phone so the system applies your new preference. Make sure notifications stop after reboot. If warnings persist, check for a carrier or manufacturer app that enforces its own alerts. Open that app and disable data warnings there. Alternatively, clear the settings app cache from app's right arrow settings, right arrow storage, then reboot. If the problem continues, update your phone's system software, because older builds can reintroduce UI bugs that ignore your settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.